Alright, I'm back with the Sonnet project, and today I want to start it, so I have to figure out fuel delivery. I could use an electric pump, and from what I've heard, the mechanical pumps on these engines are pretty weak, but I caught mine filling the fuel bowl with, tar, so it looks like it still works. Might as well use it. Oh, this gas is brown. Yeah, that's no good. I'm getting ahead of myself, expecting this engine to run. But on the off chance it does, I'm pretty sure I need the exhaust hooked up. I don't know if this engine can run without it. I'm sure I could play with and even start this engine for a little bit with no coolant, but I want the coolant system to work, so might as well put the belts back on so I can get the water pump turning. The belt is pretty gross, but I really don't care. I'll get a new one eventually. It works well enough for now. After spending a day or two in some evapor rust, that front pulley really cleaned up nicely. I don't know what it's made out of, but it looks pretty cool. It sort of has a in the white finish, I guess. I'm also mesmerized by the plastic used on that fan. '70s polymers are pretty neat. I don't want to put the radiator all the way on, just because it's a pain. I don't like those fabric straps on the top, so I just bolted it on the bottom and then used two big old zip ties on the top. I know it doesn't look like it, but I had the bowl and the pump primed, and I think the electrical system was all in order. So if it was gonna go, it should have gone. It doesn't go for a reason, and isn't that a fun one? I tried for days, hours, I don't even know how long to get this thing to start. And eventually I came to the conclusion that I was missing something, so I tore it all back down to try and learn more, come back with a solution. I did not come back with a solution, I came back with more problems. This marks the turning point in this journey here. This car goes from fun to work on to a piece of work, and, well, it's gonna get a lot worse. Oh shit, that's not a good sign. It's full of random crap. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is, but it needs to come out, that's for sure.